today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Flip app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here into your phone apps, click on it. You come to apps list, then here you're looking for Flip app or just click on search. Then here at Flip, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. You come to this list, click here on force stop, click on OK. So then you go down here, click on storage, come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for Flip, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.